This is an instructional video on how to update your roster on CampusLink. This should be done by the president every time there is a new executive board. So the first thing you want to do is log on to Missouri State's CampusLink. Make sure that you're logged in as yourself, has your initial here at the top right corner. Then you're going to go down under My Memberships. You should have your organization there, so go ahead and click on that. If you are the president on CampusLink, you should have this Manage Organization button here at the top right corner. So click on that. Go to this sidebar here and click on Roster. So the two most important things is that you want to make sure this primary contact is the current president, the president that is going to be dealing with anything for the next upcoming year. If you need to change it, you can click on this little pencil here and you can select whoever is the new president. They just have to make sure that they are a member of the organization on CampusLink first. And then you also want to go in here and make sure that they're labeled as president on this bottom area here. If they're not, you can click on the pencil again and click president and make sure that there's only one person that is considered president on CampusLink. This is going to allow the person to be able to re-register the organization during organization re-registration at the beginning of the academic year. So it's very important that when you do transition executive boards that you change this contact on CampusLink as well, so the old president doesn't get emails that the new president needs to get. If there are any members or anyone requesting to join your organization on CampusLink, it'll be under pending. You can look for those as well. And you can also change the positions of any of your members here and change that all for the new executive board. But the most important one that needs to be done is changing this primary contact here and then making sure that the president is labeled as president and there's only one person labeled.